Whoa. Yo, why'd you throw it like that, man? Guess what, guys? My new laptop finally came. This is the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. This is just a regular black edition, but I want to give you all my unboxing experience. It literally just came at like 4 o'clock. Today's March 11th. I'm really excited. This is going to enhance my productivity so much, but I can't wait to check it out with you all. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and run over a few specs and whatnot, but this is probably the most expensive thing that I've bought, period. I know what this is gonna do for my YouTube channel, as rendering times are gonna lower so much because of this. I need to edit a lot more on the go than what I originally had thought. Coming home and editing and whatnot, it's been a hassle this whole time trying to get content out to you guys. I want to try to give you guys the best content I can with the little bit that I have. So I just wanted to go ahead and say thank you guys just so much for all that you all have been doing and watching and sharing and subscribing and whatnot. Just thank you guys so much. But let's go ahead and open this thing up because I'm ready to check this out. It's Windows 10 Pro, if I'm correct, 64-bit. It is a Intel Core i5 10th generation, 14-inch display, really like 13.9 really. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD, Intel UHD graphic. It's not going to be like your highest graphics like GTX by NVIDIA. But without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and look at the side really quick. This is literally how it was shipped. So yeah. Then open up this slant right here. All right. It's actually one of my first laptops that I've ever purchased, period. I just never really had the money to afford one. And luckily I was able to do this on a payment plan. This ran me over actually $1,600. So yeah. So on the side here, let's see what we have. Check this out. All right, so this is gonna be the charger. And I think it's either 52 watts or it's 60 watts. I can't remember. It's really small though. I remember back in the day, yeah, it's 65 watt. That's crazy. Oh man. Yeah, I remember back in the day though when like my sister used to have her laptop. The power brick was huge. It was crazy. It was so heavy too. But we'll go ahead and set this to the side. Got the foam over here. Take that out. Oh my goodness, this thing is actually pretty heavy. Wow. Set this box to the side really quick. Wow. So this is the box. Take this foam off. This is the box though. I really like it. It looks nice so far. You can see the reflection. There I am. But yeah, it looks nice. So let's go ahead and check it out. Cut it open really quick. All right. Give y'all a little ASMR. Very sleek though. It's pretty hefty though. In one hand, it's pretty hefty. It's apparently their thinnest one yet, of course. That's what they always say for these companies. But seriously, this one is 2.4 pounds and it packs a lot within that. Now it is only 4 cores, so that's one of the downfalls. But hey, for what I'm doing, I'm not gaming or anything. This is not a gaming laptop. This is for business and production. And that's really what I'm doing. So that's why I bought it. I did look at, wow, look at that red. I did look at other options and whatnot to see what else I could buy, like a Dell or maybe Alienware. I know Razer just came out with their new laptop. Wow, look at that. I looked at all the specs and whatnot and the pricing, and this was the best deal. They did have a sale on this. This originally runs you like probably around $2,000+, but I was able to get it on sale, like I said, and it was right off the website. So I will leave it in the link in the description below to anyone who wants to check it out. Here it is. This is the laptop. Said it's pretty hefty, but I can't believe the fact that this has so much power that it does within this little package is pretty amazing. Let's go ahead and let you all listen to this. Oh man, it feels really nice in the hands. But seriously, it's really nice. I really like the touch to it. There's really like no fingerprints. It's like a matte finish. They go away pretty easily. Just wipe it off. This is the alloy, magnesium alloy base. As you see there, there's your Windows sticker. This is just the unboxing experience once again. I'm going to see if this does have power. I'll go ahead and show you all the sides really quick. So you have your HDMI, headphone jack, USB-A, you have USB Type-C, and I think this is Lightning port also. And this is where you're gonna charge it up at. This side, you don't have anything, it's just slim, really nice looking. Then also, you have where your fan and whatnot will be at, and another USB-A port. And this right here is gonna be your power button. On this side, I don't actually know what that one is. The back here, there's the back. Very nice color though, very sleek. Okay, let's check it out. Now this is not the carbon fiber weave. That one was around $2,000 if I'm correct. Looks really awesome though, wow. From what everyone tells me also is that the keyboard is, yeah, oh wow. Pretty quiet too, man. This is crazy. I just can't believe that I've actually got one of these in my hands right now. Like, I'm just mind blown. So I'm sorry guys if the video is a little crazy. This is not usually how they go, but I'm just so excited right now. You also have the click buttons right here. Oh my goodness, the travel is so good, wow. There is no number pad, I don't mind that. I don't need a number pad. Again, this is 14 inches. It's meant for on the go, so I'm not worried about that. Also up here, if you're worried about privacy, you can just switch this off, but it does have facial recognition just to let you know. And it does tell you, like you just saw the light pop up, hold on. So there you go, it's off now. Turn it back on. So we'll go ahead and power it up really quick. I'll talk to you guys in just a little bit. Set this down and yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back now. I just want to say this laptop is freaking amazing. So I've been taking my time with it, basically got everything set up. It's essentially fully charged now. It was pretty dead when I first got it. That's for my Bluetooth mouse if you were wondering. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I like that they put it this way, so this is actually opposite. So the actual way you open it is gonna be this way. But as you see here though, I'm gonna go ahead and power it on for you guys. I just want to show you all the screen and everything really quick. I love this keyboard. The setup did take a little while because Windows, you know how slow it goes. But the power button is on the side, so we'll go ahead and power that up. And you're gonna see really quick how fast this thing charges up. You see the backlit keyboard. It's only white, you can't do any other color sadly, but I'm fine with that. I don't need the crazy colors. But as y'all see here, it just loaded up like in about 15 seconds. So I'd say, and the fingerprint does work really quick. You can put in multiple fingerprints. I just have this one for right now. There you go, I have my coasters in the background. I set all that up. The refresh rate is pretty high as well. Overall, the screen is super bright. I cannot put it at its max brightness. It's just too bright for me right now. I imagine when I'm in sunlight, this is a 500 nit computer or screen display, so it gets up there, and you don't really need it at 100 anyways, or else the battery will die pretty quickly. If you want a lower model of this, I will leave all of them in the link description below where you can purchase them. Lenovo has a bunch of options, so just use the link in the description below if you want to really check it out. But like I said, the keyboard and everything, the start menu, the only thing that you might have to get used to is the FN being right here rather than control being right here. So I really kind of wish the FN button was right there instead of that way, but I was able to set up my Bluetooth headphones. I actually use my phone as a hotspot because my Wi-Fi at the house isn't all that right now. I'll definitely do a full in-depth review for you all, so be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and then enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Thank you all once again for watching, and until next time you guys, peace out.